Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Blackdown black currant. This is my favorite tasting black currant to date. This is a black currant that has the most sugar content of any other black currant I've had, and it tastes good. You don't need to process this one. It just tastes good to eat directly. Most times when I eat a black currant, my face gets all contorted because it's so tart. I didn't grow up with currants, and I just don't have a taste for it. But this one is good. I could just sit here and eat them. And traditionally, you have to process currants into a jam, or sometimes we'll put them all into a crumble and the main thing in all these is add sugar. But this Blackdown black currant has a lot of sugar in it. In fact, I'm out here this morning because I'm gonna harvest all these and take them to the farmer's market to sell. I think people would enjoy them. Currants are a very early season fruit crop, and they're great. They're very prolific too. On all of our currants out here, we just got a lot of fruit. Gooseberries, or even the jostaberry, is a little more mild, milder than black, red, or white currants. But I think this one is a winner. We might propagate more of these just to sell locally and eat ourselves. We sell currant cuttings online. They're very easy to propagate from cuttings, and you can get a plant and grow more plants much more cheaply than buying at a nursery. And you also get a little bit more selection. This is Blackdown black currant. It is the best black currant I've eaten to date, and it's very sweet. You can just eat it straight out of your hand. You don't need to process it or make it into something else.